Install operating systems. As a technician, you must be able to know the variations or options in installing an operating system that is compatible with the hardware requirements of a personal computer. Another operating system available on the market now is the Windows 7 version. Now take a tour through the procedures in installing a Windows 7 operating system. First, turn your computer on and then press Del or F2. Depend on your computer's mainboard to enter the system BIOS. Go to Boot menu and choose Boot from CD or DVD. Press F10 to save the configuration and exit BIOS, then reset your computer. Insert Windows 7 DVD in your DVD drive, then start up your computer. Windows 7 will be loading files. Select your language, time and currency format, keyboard or input method, and click Next. Click Install Now. Check I accept the license terms and click Next. Click Upgrade if you already have previous Windows version or Custom Advanced. If you don't have a previous Windows version or want to install a fresh copy of Windows 7. Skip this step if you choose Upgrade and have only one partition. Select the drive where you want to install Windows 7 and click Next. If you want to make any partition, click Drive Options Advanced. Make the partitions and then click Next. It will now start installing Windows 7. The first step was already done when you booted the Windows 7 DVD, so it will complete instantly. After completing the first step, it will expand or decompress the files that it has been copied. The third and fourth step will also complete instantly like the first step. After that, it will automatically restart after 15 seconds and continue to set up. You can also click Restart Now to restart without any delay. After restarting for the first time, it will continue to set up. This is the last step, so it will take the most time than the previous steps. It will now automatically restart again and continue to set up. You can click Restart Now to restart without any delays. Type your desired username in the text box and click Next. It will automatically fill up the computer name. If you want to set a password, type it in the text boxes and click Next. Type your product key in the text box and click Next. You can also skip the step and simply click Next if you want to type the product key later. Windows will run only for 30 days if you do that. Select your desired option for Windows updates. Select your time and click Next. If you are connected to any network, it will ask you to set the network's location.